Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Amazon affiliates for YouTube. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start an Amazon affiliate marketing channel on YouTube. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the way that I do this is that first you're obviously going to need an Amazon Associates account. So it's very easy to sign up. Just follow this link here, affiliateprogram.amazon.com. Sign up for an account, and then once you're signed up for an account, you can start adding affiliate links to your YouTube channel. Now, as far as getting this to work, okay, this is the way that I do it. What I have found to be the best converting videos are videos in which I compare products with each other. So you can see here that this channel here only has 150 subscribers, but right now is making anywhere between like around $300 per month through Amazon affiliates. And this is a channel that I really don't spend a lot of time on, but you can see that my most popular videos have been from videos in which I basically compare different things. So here I'm comparing camping tables, I'm comparing dog cooling mats, storage bins, dentures, electronic wires. So when you compare two different items, what really works is that people are clicking on this video because they're interested in buying a portable camping table. But when you compare different items together and then you tell them that, let's say the Bezos camping table is the best one, they're more likely inclined to buy that item because you compared it on camera. So you can see here on my YouTube channel where I'm comparing different items. What I found on my Amazon affiliate account is that where I'm actually recommending a certain item, so let's take for example this video here, okay, the I tried 4 highly rated RGB corner floor lamps from Amazon. If I tell them that the Govee floor lamp is the best one, I could actually see the sales on my Amazon affiliates account where people are actually buying the Govee floor lamp as well. So this is the best way that I've been able to set up Amazon affiliates for YouTube. What I'll be doing is that I'll be consistently buying products on a week-to-week basis. Let's say 3 to 5 products of a certain item, okay? So let's say I buy 3 different tripod stands and I compare them together. I'll be posting that on this channel. What I've really liked about this channel is that it was kind of like a side project, but videos that I posted a year ago are still getting views. And even though this channel isn't monetized, I'm actually getting affiliate income for it. So unlike what other people are doing, I mean, you can see here, what most people do is that they actually just review a single item. I really don't recommend doing that just because people will look at a review and yes, that works. But what I found to be a lot better and convert better are really these comparison videos. So that's what I'll be going all in on, are these comparison videos where I compare 3 or 5 of the same exact item. But I hope this strategy helps you out as far as setting up your Amazon affiliates for YouTube goes. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.